Hey, 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 Stubby here, and today we're fully immersed. Let's go! Alright, guys, we are back here in the cave. So in between episodes, I did do a little setup work. How are we doing this thing? 35,000. Filling up my. Which one is this one? Magician Blood Orb. Used a lot of it. Made a lot of clay and a lot of leather. So in between episodes, I got cleaned up this room a little bit. So gotta get rid of that water, but I put the cooking for blockhead sink, which is an infinite water source. So that's there for now. So I gotta set up a room for it. Didn't change anything. Oh, only thing I really changed over here is I added the jump around the press. I needed to use the press, so it's right there for now. Where did all this come from? That's nuts. Alright, what's full? B2, dun, dun, dun. That one's full, but we're good. Oh, I just put way too much on. It's backing up. That's why. Silver nuggets. My silver not working? Where is my silver? Huh. I overloaded this. The stack of storage drawers that was right here that had like what is it, 9 of them. I took them all. I dumped them in there. It's kind of overloaded. It'll catch up. And then immersive. So I made my little cubby for my desk. Nothing super fancy. Got my water wheel. I turned it around. I got my first room prepped. I actually have 2 of these, so there's actually 200,000. There's 2 back to back. They're basically power storage, and this is gonna be our start room. All right, and I set this system up. So I have my coke. You know what? Let's go get an axe, and we can actually look. I need to make another ladder down too. Where am I going? Where am I going? Axe. Okay, so automated the coke oven. This blast furnace you can't automate it. You have to do the upgraded, reinforced. What is it? Blast. Yeah, reinforced blast one. That's the one you can automate. And I set up the kiln. You see, I've been needing electrum. All right, so how is this automated? Well, there's a couple different things in play over here. All right, I have my XNet, or not XNet, simple storage coming in. There's an importer underneath this drawer, which this is just hoppered down and in to take the byproduct out. There is a exporter behind this drawer, and then I put inside the drawer I put a stack downgrade right here. So this one was just a couple flint. That reduces to only 1 stack at a time can be in here. That's kind of how I'm controlling the flow. I don't want all of my coal to come to this storage drawer. So it holds 64 blocks. So that's pumping there 100% full speed. One, 3, and you. All right, but the creosote. The other part I have is right here. This pump will automatically pull out. You can speed it up with power, but it's not needed. And it's pumping and piping into here. So it just needs a little redstone on. The default value is the bottom of it is the input, but you can change the inputs. So for me, I did the bottom is the input, the side is the output, or I could have moved it over or something, but I just kind of like this. It's a nice little room for it. Gives a ladder way, and it comes in here, and I'm up to 20 buckets. So I need to go get the rest of my buckets out of storage. We might as well do that. Save ourselves some free metal. Creosote. There you go. It holds, what's the number, like 512? Pretty sure. So it should hold 512 buckets. And there we go. All right. So blast furnace just pumping out. So there's no way to automate it, so it's been manual, and that's been making my electrum for now. I needed some electrum in our setups. And I believe that is, this room still looks the same. Food. That is the changes. I think I'm going to go ahead and actually take all of this out. Steel. Go ahead and put the steel ingots in. Yeah, right here's fine, honestly. Alright, and bread. Good to eat. Oh, another change. I did upgrade the pack. So a few of these quests that had already been completed, this one gave me an extra thing of glue. He added a couple more challenges. He or she, I'm not sure, but the creator added a few more challenges. They added the Pneumaticraft quest line. They added some more challenges in here. And more importantly, pretty much every quest has rewards now. Oh, I didn't do those all at once, so I gotta go redo that. That's a ding dong thing. Alright. Can I craft and uncraft? Because I don't think I need them all. Alright, whatever. We can go pick those back up. Treated. Boom. 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 Fence. And sheet. What was the pattern for that? You know, I'm just gonna come back to those. That's well, actually it's only 36. Let's do it. Oh, I'm not needing them. 4, 8, 12, 24. Yeah, I didn't have enough last time. There you go. Alright. Stupid quest. Yeah. Tank upgrade, cool. Oh, I should do the backpack one. Auto PCBs. I think that was all the major changes, all the slates, all the will. Got some more upgrades through all of these. He added. And it was already, they were registered, so I just had to collect the rewards. So that was the nice and easy. Alright, so let's go ahead and work towards these. So I want to get, I think I need a few pistons. I'm going to need some frames. So let's look at this. I need 1, 2, alright, piston. So we're going to do, so I need heavy engineering block, redstone engineering block, conveyors, and scaffolding. All right. Been going through these. All right. And we need the redstone, conveyors, and the scaffolding. And down. Excuse me, thank you. Redstone engineering block. And conveyor. Metal press. What are we missing here? Steel fence and 2 pipes, light and barrel. That's not right. Why are we... Oh, you're gonna have to clean that one up. We'll turn that off for now. Oof. For 3,000 wood. I need to get a void upgrade in there. Alright, anyway. Moving. Let's get to crafting, guys. So we need the light engineer. We need the barrel. One, two, three, four. Oh, it was treated. Ha. So let's go ahead and bucket. Now that we've dumped all of our creosote out, like a silly person, do 8 of them. That should be a whole stack. And that should do it. We need those. There you go. We got everything for that one. We need pipes and fence. Fence, the steel fence, if I remember right. There. And pipe. And what are we missing for the pump jack? 6 treated fence. capacitor backpack. Now I'm doing this, I'm making this, all this stuff right now, and it's not going to be enough. Alright, so the squeezer, the fermenter, that's going to be made for the refinery, so we can get the diesel power. The squeezer and the crusher, the pump jack. But the metal press is the one I want to make first. Also, we're going to need to set up at Immersive. Need my wire. I'm going to do those and those. Oh, we should mess with that. Actually, what all goes in here? A haze. And a food slot. Look at that. What goes up over on that side, though? Tools, food. Vanilla tools only. Wiring. And everything else pretty much, I think. Cool. Alright, well. That was cool. I can... I don't know. Leave it in our inventory for now. Let's go get this set up. And... Be smart. Chest. Hopper. Alright. And we're gonna have to make some more presses, too. Immersive is this way. Oh, I like the look of that. Ah. Alright. So, for now... I need the book. Because I don't remember the pattern. I'm amazing, guys. Aren't you proud of me? Alright. Engineers. Boom, boom. Should go get the projector so I can just build the projector and display it. Simple machines. No. Heavy machines? Metal press. Okay, so it's scaffolding. Forgot the darn hammer. Doop-doo. Oh, cool. Should make the backpack, actually. Hammer. Alright. So the cool thing about this is automatable. It looks really cool if you do the belt work for it. And I think that would be really nice to do. Conveyors? What else we got? Conveyor, conveyor, down. Okay. It was the... and conveyor. So we're going to go ahead and convey it in that way, out that way. Apparently we're going to be really tricky. Let me off. There we go. And you. Oh. Either hit that one, or hit that one, or hit that one. What am I missing? Oh. Aha. Ha 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 ha. Boom. Silliness. Ta-da! Now we have it. All right. Then we're gonna put the relays. Put a relay right there. There. Relay right there. Connector. With some wire. And we have power. Press. We're gonna take our hoppers. We're gonna take our chests. So press. Just click it in. Hopper. Gotta go very specific. And I think that output chest actually can just go like that, if I remember correctly. So let's go test it. We need some copper. This is a resource saver for sure. So check this out. Wire, right? So to make this copper wire, normally you'd have to get the plates, which was hammering it down, or doing the create plates. Then you get the wire cutters, which have durability, and you get the wire. So one ingot is one plate is one wire. The other way to do it is one ingot through this press is two wires. So it essentially doubles the value and saves on your other resources. And we can go just like that. You'll see him run in, you'll see him press. See the next one? Ta-da! And 12. Other thing you can do is we can put a lever on it to turn it off. These do have redstone control, or you can use the redstone wiring that is also with Immersive, and I could run the same node. I could run the wire up. I could have a node over here with the redstone lever and turn it on and off remotely. Ish. Not wirelessly, just remotely. Alright, so we have that. We have made our metal press. Let's, nope, do not want to pin that. Let's make our I think we're going to need too much of a crusher, but we can do the fermenter. So we just need 4 cauldrons for the fermenter. We'll do the fermenter and the distiller next, I think, is just the ones we'll knock these out. We'll get them built. Cauldron. And what we'll do is, I want to show you how they get built. Let me show you one more thing. Actually, I think I have everything to do it. So this will be a lifesaver for you guys, honestly. If you are not familiar with Immersive, the structures can get complex. Less pain. Lantern. Projector. Okay, so this projector, if you are in the engineering manual and you flip to the page that you want, we are going to say the fermenter. The list, here's everything it needs. Oh, I need 4 iron sheet metal. So you have it on the page for the item that you want. So I'm currently at the fermenter. I can take my projector. Oh, they changed it. Aha! Nice, they changed it. You used to actually have to combine it with the book. That is so much better. Fermenter. Right? Here, rotate south. Okay, cool. put the redstone on the front, which looking at this would put it just like that. I'll put it on the right, so we're good with that. We can just put it down. Alright, so I've confirmed it in place, and now you see I get these silhouettes on the ground. And instead of having to go back to this manual all the time, like, oh, which one is it? Oh, it's, you know, I can essentially look at the images. I can see what's there. I can light. Oh, projector. You have to have the projector in your hotbar. And you see what? So you can't really tell what I have, but I hovered over it, and now they outline. So that's a great add-on. Pipe, pipe. Next block will be redstone. That block. My cauldron. And my iron sheet metal. And now see it's got this green outline, which means it's complete. That one, that one, that one, that one, that one. Pipe, pipe, boom, 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 boom. Something. There we go. Right. And what is it? Control click? There we go. And the next one we will want is the distiller. Is that the one we're doing? Potatoes. Refinery. Fermenter. Squeezer. Squeezer, that's the one we're doing. Okay. Squeezer. One, two, three, four, five, six. And we'll put that one there. There we go. And also need my steel fence. 2, 3. And my box is complete. Find the clicking point right there. And clear the projector. There we go. Gotta look away from it. Alright, and when you're looking at these, every one of these will have a power point. So you see right there is a power input. They have UIs, you can see there's inventories, the fluids, you can see the recipes, so on and so on. This one's power should probably, I believe, in the same spot. We're going to run some power. That one, and I need that one. Connect that one, to that one, and this one down. There we go. We have powered machines. We have automation. Let's go ahead and look at, so this one, the recipes we got are ethanol, 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 and ethanol. So potatoes. Let's go see what we got for some potatoes. And in here we have, what is this, a squeezer? I'll have to look. I think it's seeds, I think. Industrial squeezer. Yep. So seeds will make plant oil. Yeah, things that can make plant oil, plant oil, plant oil, and plant oil. I think that's going to be the next part. The refinery, plant oil plus ethanol equals biodiesel. So that's where this process is going. Okay, the refinery, and you see my room is nowhere near big enough and nowhere near steampunk enough. But here we go. So we have a few more machines we want to build. We're going to need to build the refinery. We're going to need to build the diesel generator. This will be good because I'll set create up to do potatoes and wheat. The wheat will give me bread and seeds. The potatoes will give me potatoes. We'll harvest there. We're going to have to set up the crusher. We're going to need to set up the pump jack to get some oil power, distillation tower, and working our way through there. Look at that, guys. We have stuff. Oh, for those that don't, you also have, well, so blue is input, orange is output, input, output. That's how that works. And we can do a lever. Do I have one on me? Nope. So we can do levers on all the red to turn it on or off. So that is it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. In between episodes, I'm going to build the rest of these machines right here, the generator, the refinery, the crusher, the core sample drill, the distillation tower. I need to get the cocoon going. And I might get to the arc furnace. Possibly. And we're going to make this room bigger so we can set up a way to see all that. So we've got more here and more here. And hopefully we don't have to go too far to find oil. That is it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. So, until next time, Stubby out.